Hi, it's Gretchen Dixon, Product Specialist at SOLABS, a company dedicated to helping small to mid-sized life sciences companies learn from experience. Today, I'd like to show you a function on the document authoring page called Superseded Document. It can be very handy when you are renumbering a document or when you are creating a new document to combine the content from previous documents. Using the superseded document menu option, you will not have to go back and separately retire those previous documents and coordinate all that activity. So it saves you a step. So let's take a look. Right now I am in my document tree view, and I'd like to show you what I plan to do. I've noticed that in this folder called Documentation and Training, SOPs, I have something that is inconsistently numbered. So I would like to renumber this SOP and change the title a little bit as well. So I have an authoring version here where I am going to renumber QAC 006 to QADT-003. So let's take a look at my document. It is already all set up on the authoring page, and we'll look at how to set up superseding the other one. So we're here on the authoring page. I have brought in the document and I have filled in all of the metadata. Over under related items, you see an option called Superseded Document. When I click on that menu option, I can search for the document name or control number for the one that it will replace. When I hit filter, I will see that document come up. I can choose it and add it. It is now a related item to my new document, QADT-003. I will go ahead and submit and confirm. I had already set my workflow, so now I just need to start my review cycle. When this document becomes approved and effective, it will automatically replace QAC 006. QAC 006 will go to a status of superseded. It will be visible on the tree view to your document administrators, similarly to how retired documents are available. So let's take a look. Here we see one that is in a superseded status. So it will say superseded. It will be in red. Again, it will only be visible to your document administrators. And when they go to look at it, they will see the audit trail and that it has been superseded by another document. I hope that helps you realize how you can save a step if you ever need to renumber documents or you are combining the content of existing documents into a new one. As always, if you want any information on the use of SOLABS QM, please visit our website at solabs.com or our knowledge base at docs.solabs.com. You can reach the knowledge base very easily by clicking on the documentation portal link in the lower right-hand corner of your login page.